Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. We frequently get questions regarding what are the upcoming hearings in this case, and number two, are they open or closed to the public? We recently did an episode on this matter. However, there was a situation that occurred on the 28th of February that may have changed what the upcoming hearing schedule will be as it relates to whether or not those hearings are closed or open. Speaking of Judge Hippler's February 28th, 2025 order effectively declaring that all of the defense motions in limine filed the 24th of February, and those state motions that were filed on the 24th of February are now under seal and will remain under seal until such time that the court can determine whether or not they should be under seal or released to the public. Now, there were 4 motions in limine that the state filed on the 21st of February that are not subject to this order. Indeed, they have been released to the public and they're on the public docket for about a week or so. And they are the in limine motions by the state of Idaho addressing a demonstrative tool that they want to use at the jury trial, Mr. Kohberger's alibi defense, certain psychological or psychiatric evidence, and then finally, the alternative perpetrator evidence. Those are the 4 publicly docketed motions in limine. There's no reason to believe that they would not be subject to an open hearing regarding the upcoming hearings on the 9th and 10th of April. Those are the hearings set by Judge Stephen J. Hippler's order of January 31st, 2025, related to these motions in limine. As far as the rest are concerned, unless Judge Hippler between now and the 9th of April declares that the February 24th motions in limine will be released to the public, no reason to believe that those hearings would be open to the public. It seems as though, based on past protocol, that they would be subject to a closed, sealed hearing. We're going to continue to monitor the docket to determine if there's any change to that, and also Judge Stephen Hippler tends to put out a schedule or an order a few days before the hearing. So we're going to look for one of those coming up in the early part of April to tell us what the schedule is and what the court's determination is regarding the in limine hearings, whether they're going to be open to the public, all of them, all closed, some open, some closed, any combination of the above. The next 2 sets of hearings that are coming up in the near future, we know one is definitely closed to the public because it says so in the order that set it. This is the hearing that you see on the schedule for the 16th of April. This is coming up next month. These are the hearings for the proposed jury questionnaire. They were set as a closed, sealed hearing unless the court makes an about face and determines that that will be open. We can pretty much deduce that that will continue to be a closed, sealed hearing. And then finally, the final pretrial conference, which is scheduled on the 15th that you see on the calendar of May, although the court order of October 9th, 2024 stated that that hearing would be set for the 15th of May, and if necessary, spill over to the 16th of May, 2025. We do not know at this time if that is a closed, sealed hearing or if that hearing regarding the final pretrial conference leading up to the trial this summer will be closed or open to the public. Again, we will continue to monitor the docket and determine whether or not Judge Hippler decides to run that proceeding as a closed, sealed hearing or if it will be open to the public. We will, of course, continue to monitor all future events on the case, and please, if you have any questions, comments, let us know. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you so much for joining us here today.